Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to decorate some fun Halloween cupcakes. So keep watching. The first thing you need to do is make your cupcakes. Now you can use a box recipe or you can use your own. It doesn't matter. I do suggest using like a chocolate or a dark chocolate cupcake. It'll go better with the designs that we're trying to accomplish. Nothing special with this recipe. It's just a box mix. Follow the directions on the back. Prepare your cupcakes. And when your batter is all mixed up and ready, I have two different types of cupcake liners. I have this one that's a Halloween themed. It has a little pumpkin on the bottom. This one's just black polka dot. And depending on what the design's going to be, I'll choose which one I'm going to use for that. I like to fill these up using a measuring spoon or an ice cream scoop. It's the best way to get it to where you can put about half full and keep them consistent. And just bake these according to the instructions. When your cupcakes come out of the oven, let them cool completely. While our cupcakes are cooling, we're going to make the buttercream frosting. I'm doing homemade frosting. You can use store-bought if you'd like. We're going to make a big batch and then we're going to divide them up into different colors we're going to need for our design. So start off with a large bowl. Inside this, we're going to put 2 sticks of butter that's softened at room temperature. That equals 1 cup. We're going to blend this until that color gets a little whiter, just a couple minutes. Now we're going to add 3 to 4 cups of powdered sugar. I am going to sift it in there. We're going to do 1 cup at a time. After about 2 cups of the powdered sugar has been mixed in, I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract to this. And when it reaches the consistency you're looking for, then you can stop adding powdered sugar. We're going to divide this up and color it into different colors. So I divided my frosting up just a little bit. We're going to start off coloring this one green. Now that we got our frosting covered, we're going to just put it on a cupcake. Not too much. We want to put a good amount on there, but we don't want it to spread all the way out. We want to be kind of in the middle here. I'm going to use an offset spatula. I'm trying to make it flat on the top and also flat on the sides. I'm really concerned with the sides more than the top. I want it to be nice and smooth. Your frosting does need to be a little thick to do this. If it's too thin, it'll just run when you kind of hold it. Now that we got that done, you'll see how it's nice and flat right on this side. We're going to take some chocolate sprinkles, chocolate jimmies they're called sometimes. Just put it on a plate like that. We're going to take our cupcake upside down, push in a little, and now that's going to be the hair of our Frankenstein. Next, I have these candy eyeballs. You can, of course, draw on eyeballs with like melted chocolate if you like, but these are already made. So we're just going to take these, stick one right here and one right here. So next I have some pretzel sticks and I'm just going to break off a little bit of it just like that, stick it in one side. These are going to be the bolts, and stick the other end, I'm going to break this one a little more, into the other side. Next, we're going to put a mouth on there. If you have some black writing gel, you can do that, or you can use one of your chocolate jimmies there, chocolate sprinkles, and just put it on there, just like that. And that's it. That's our Frankenstein cupcake. This is so easy to make. Now let's move on to our next Halloween cupcake recipe. For the next design of our cupcakes, I have some white frosting. I just put it into a piping bag. If you don't have a piping bag, you can put it into any like Ziploc bag and just cut a hole out of it. I did cut my hole rather large. And we're gonna just put some on here at like a big glop in circular pattern like an ice cream cone. And just like that. Once you've done that, take 2 chocolate chips And we're going to stick them in as the eyeballs of our ghost. Just like that. And that's it. This has to be the simplest of them all. And that's it. These are our ghost cupcakes. Now let's make something else. For this recipe, we're going to need some green frosting and we're going to need some orange frosting. Now I have some white. Let's just color it orange. We're just going to take some cupcakes, 2 different ones. One, we're going to put that orange frosting on. Doesn't have to look perfect. And do the same thing with the green. Now we're going to take a bunch of these candy eyeballs all over your frosting. Don't need to be in any pattern because they're monsters. And that's it. These are our monster cupcakes. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these fun Halloween cupcake designs. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. Also, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button. You get new videos all the time. Check out this video right here. And until next time, I'll see you then. And I have some of the white, take 2 chocolate chips now. And that's it. These are our Halloween no. And that's it. These are our, and that's it. For this recipe, we're going to need some green food color. No.